Have you ever gone for a walk and thought this could be more than just exercise? Hmm. Imagine a walk that can improve your posture, release stress, and also bring you mental calm all at once. That's exactly what the Chi walking method does. Yeah, so today I will show you how it works, why it is trending, and how you can start right away. Yeah, so ensure you watch this video to the end. Now let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Choma Gloria, a biomedical scientist passionate about turning health and awareness into everyday habits. Yeah, so if it's your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. And if you love learning science backed ways to feel better and also live healthier, do well to hit the subscribe so that you don't miss out. So, what is Chi walking? The ChiWalking is a combination of mindful movements to the Tai Chi and then with your regular walking. Yeah, so instead of rushing while walking, you slow down, focus on your posture, and then you move with intention. So that's what the Chi Walk is about. Mindful movement, focusing on your posture, and then moving with intention. That is it. Yes, so you can think of it as a walking meditation, a way to exercise the body while also calming your mind. So it's gentle, low impact, and perfect for anyone looking for better mobility balance and stress relief. Now, let's talk about how you can practice it. So, let me break down the basis so you can try it today. Firstly, you stand tall with your shoulder relaxed and then your nails soft and then your core gently engaged, just as it is here. The second step, you walk land heel first, then roll through the middle of your foot and then finish with your toe. So the third step, you keep your arms by your side, swinging them naturally. You swing them naturally while you walk. The fourth step, you focus on your breath. Slow, steady, and deep. The fifth one, which is the last step, is to walk slowly and mindfully. Walk slowly and mindfully, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Yeah, as long as you're walking slowly and mindfully. So yeah, it's me doing my chill walk. First, you stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, nails soft, and core gently engaged. As you walk land heel first, then you roll through the middle of your foot, finishing with your toes. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides, swinging naturally. Focus on your breath, slow, steady, and deep. That's the most important thing. Focus on your breath. Then walk slowly and mindfully. Yeah, you can start by practicing this for 5 minutes, maybe at the beginning, middle, or end of your regular walks. Yeah. So as time goes on, you might want to increase the time just as you want. Yeah, but you can start with 5 minutes. Anytime you're going for a regular walk, you can decide to start with the chi walk. You can start with the chi walking. Maybe you do it for 5 minutes and then you continue with a regular walk. Or you can decide to do some regular walk, do it in the middle of your regular walk or in the end. As long as you just do it, it goes a long way to help. Now, let's talk about why chi walking is so powerful. Let's look at the benefits. One of the benefits is that you get better posture because you're walking with awareness. The second one is joint mobility, especially in the ankles and hip, which often gets stiff when we sit for too long. The third benefit is stress relief. Mindful walking lowers your stress hormone and then help you feel calmer. The fourth benefit is that it gives you a mind and body connection. Yeah, so it's an exercise that feels meditative. So it gives you a mind and body connection. So this is not about burning calories, but it's about creating a gentle, sustainable practice that helps support your long-term health and peace of mind. And the best part is you don't need a gym or fancy equipment or even lots of time. So just add 5 minutes of chill walking at the start of your morning walk. Try it in nature for an even deeper calming effect. Over time, it will feel natural and you'll notice your body moving freely and your mind feeling lighter. So, will you give ChiWalking a try this week? Comment yes below if you're ready to add mindfulness to your work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on my next wellness video. Thank you for working with me today. I remain Choma Gloria Ochonogo. Till next time, stay focused, stay healthy, stay balanced, and keep working with intentions. Bye bye. So yeah, it's me doing my chill walk. First, you stand tall with your shoulders relaxed, knees soft, and core gently engaged. As you walk, land heel first. Then you roll through the middle of your foot, finishing with your toes. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides, swinging naturally. Focus on your breath, slow, steady, and deep. That's the most important thing. Focus on your breath. Then walk slowly and mindfully. Yeah.